bird.
OK，尖头的
no
这
no touch.
然后到处它的嘴巴都很脏，因为我们养的都很脏，很可怜。
Baby bird, here's in the roof. One, two, maybe
No touch, May. Be careful.
人在困你是咧？
它妈妈回来就是 eat it。
eat it.
它 making sound， 你没听到？
I didn't know that one.
不要讲话 ，making sound。你们听到吗？
No, not really.
Baby bird.
吃饭。对名。
Can we upload this game? Yes.
来了，C 来了啊！你吃卫生纸干嘛？You dumb bird！
Come on.
Come on.
你看它有啾啾，你们听到？你们听到？
Oh my goodness, that's so cute.
That's so cute. Face.
Open。
Emma, stop.
I want to see it.
好啦，你已经在戏了，
Maybe no touch.
小心妹妹。
他坐在这边啦。
Okay, but it's maybe no.
好了，过来一点啦。
I'm afraid she might break it.
I want to roll.
Emma,
Don't touch
stop.
the bed,
You
okay?
can watch the video after, but it's very.
Oh, that's my look at the bird. Wait, I don't look at the video.
它不吃，
It's
它
kind
个
of hungry.
袂要
没要，但它的脖子没有，
Mama, baby. Bird.
I guess
它的
it's
脖
just
子
too tired.
所以你就是要等了。
也是这样。
Angry bird. He's an angry bird.
他的
Can I
头
see?
发，
Can I
他
see?
的头发是这样。
Can you see? Emma，你等一下抱。
He's like an angry bird. Oh, he's licking. Oh, he's eating it.
没有，它不会这样吃，你一定要 tuck it into 它的 mouth。
Oh, okay. That almost looks like she's eating. Oh my god.
它要啊
This is your new friend.
，open。
I'm gonna keep him.
Yeah, we're
它
gonna.
长大要飞出去外面。
Yay.
Let it sleep 啊，Let it sleep。
Okay, should
So
we
when
when
she should be hungry，
And
它的
Kathy-
脖子 is flat。
when he's older,
She
we
will go.
let him go, right?
Yeah。
Good. Okay, you can stop.
3 weeks 而已。哦，鸟，我也长。